Welcome to this long overdue SketchWow video. I know it's been a few months since you've heard from me and received an update on what's going on. A lot has been happening, so I got a lot to unpack, and to make this video as short as possible, I'm doing things old school. This is not an AI generated voice. This is not an AI generated video. We're doing things the old way. Screen cam, no net, microphone. So let's jump into it. So we released version 2.3.8, which is the biggest version, and I do not say that lightly, the biggest update to date. It's a free update for all our valued SketchWow customers, and they were thrilled when they saw exactly what we added, especially related to animations. If you love animation and making eye candy videos like this one, well, check this out. So I'm using the tools that we added to SketchWow to show you what we added to SketchWow. How cool is that, right? Big news, as I said. So who else wants higher engagement? Extra catchy content that really engages people. And also to use simple sketch templates that can be done very easily, very quickly, without, taking a lot of time to do things manually. And also who wants to save even more time using AI? I'm sure you do as well, right? A spoiler alert, these SS templates are used here that I'm showing you in front of you, and it really makes this process so easy to make engaging, awesome looking visuals like this, utilizing these new templates waiting for you in SketchWow. Version 2.3.8 is here. Actually, it's now behind us. We're actually on version 2.4.0 now. Added a couple little bug fixes, as we always do, based upon our valued customers giving us feedback, so we're even plowing further ahead. And a bit of a spoiler alert, what I'm using right now and you're seeing in front of you with this cool pan zoom of the screen is something called Pan Zoom Wow. Yes, you can take any design you create in SketchWow, if it's generated by AI, if it's using a template, if you created it from scratch, I don't care. You can add these cool pan zoom animations, as you're seeing here right in front of you, that really makes the content much more engaging and allows you to explain anything with more creativity without you having to be an expert using video software or Adobe After Effects or whatever animation studio you're using. This is all baked right into the new version of SketchWow, and it's super powerful and easy to use, and I hope you're excited about it too. So now you can animate any diagram or content just like I've done right here. You're kind of seeing the proof in the pudding of what you can do once you use Pan Zoom Wow inside SketchWow. It's included with all our account plans. There's no cost for this. It allows you to instantly boost engagement, as I'm doing right here in front of your eyes, really stand out with unique visuals, more specifically animated visuals. And these are great to add to your socials, add to your blogs, your websites, add to your emails, add to your slides, and it really helps you to just be ultra creative by just simply, taking the content you have, taking the visuals you have, and just adding the Pan Zoom Wow animation. So I hope you're excited about this. I'm gonna just pause this video for a second. We're gonna dive into SketchWow, show you exactly how all this works, and you'll be an expert within the next minute and a half. So here we are inside the SketchWow software. What I want to show you is how easy it is to set up these amazing new Pan Zoom Wow animations and add them to any of your visuals you create in SketchWow. So as you can see here, what I'm showing you is actually the presentation I just walked you through using the amazing Pan Zoom Wow animations. And I want to show you how I set this up. Real simple. You can see on the left side here, we have a timeline. This is opened up by clicking on the animate button up here. And the first zoom area was this section right here, which is the main first kind of view that you saw when I started this presentation. And it just goes to each section. You can totally move these around, customize them, resize them, depending on what area you want to show. We also have some options in terms of what triggers these animations. I was using a click because I was recording my presentation, where I can use my mouse click or a keyboard arrow key to actually advance to the next area. You could actually have this triggered by after. So after X number of seconds, it's going to automatically pan to the other area. I can also set the duration. So the duration basically is how slowly or quickly that screen kind of pans to the next section. So you have a lot of flexibility here on what you can set up. And you can just keep adding as many new sections as you want to. You just click on the Add Effect button up here on the left, and then it's going to add it to the canvas. And as you can see now, I can go, all right, maybe I want to just zoom in on, I don't know, zoom in on this kind of smiley face again. So I can do this, resize it, and it's going to add this to the bottom of the timeline, as you can see on the bottom over here. And that's basically it. I mean, then you want to see what you've done, you click on present mode, and it's going to take you through and show you exactly what I just showed you over the past minute or so when I showed you the pan, zoom, wow presentation I created for you. As you can see right here, this is how I did it. Took me a few minutes and boom, I was off to the races. Now, in addition to the pan, zoom, wow, which gives you a lot of flexibility in creating a limited amount of animations and to really make your content come alive, I want to show you something else that we added recently to this latest version. Over here on the left side, you'll see this new little icon called Simple Sketches. As we got about 40 of these that have been added. We've got even more that are in the works, are being added soon at no cost to all our valued customers. And let's be honest, sometimes a visual summary that's 1400 by 1400 dimensions or a big long infographic, it's overkill, right? You want something that's short, compact, low footprint. You can add to a blog, add to a Google Doc, add to your PowerPoint presentation, Google slide, drop it into an email. You can't do that with an infographic, right? It's just too big. So for example, if you want a nice little timeline infographic, click on this guy here. You can define the number of steps or points you want to add to it. Click on OK, voila, there it is. I can move this around, I can resize it, make it bigger, smaller. I can go in here and say, okay, I don't want to use the lorem ipsum text. I want to put in whatever you want. Totally customize these, change the colors around, really make it your own, and add these wherever you want. And you can just do this multiple times for multiple slides or multiple graphics you want to create. Let me go down here and show another one. This one's kind of cool. I like this guy. So we'll make that into a 4-step. Same thing. All right, you're getting this how it works. It's pretty easy to create these cool little infographics or little visuals and add them anywhere you want to, or even combine them. You could stack them and add them one on top of the other. This gives you a lot of power in terms of how you can really get creative and utilize the power of SketchWow to make visuals without being, a graphic designer or anything of that nature. You can go in here and just, kind of start to stack these up. You get the idea. And you've got now these gorgeous graphics that really make whatever you're trying to explain come alive with these cool, super engaging, super catchy, kind of hand-drawn look and feel. So I hope you're excited about these new simple sketch templates. And if that isn't enough, well, we went the next level. Yes, you can use these simple sketches to create AI-powered simple sketch designs. So, let's be honest. Sometimes we want to use AI, not feel motivated on Monday morning. I get it. I've been there many times. So clicking on the old simple sketches category here, let me just go and explain, I don't know, like how to beat procrastination. And let's see what Mr. or Mrs. AI can do for us here. Look familiar? These are the exact same templates I just showed you like 25 seconds ago, but instead of you defining how many points you want and putting all the content in manually, I can click on this guy here. Voila, here we go. Conquering procrastination. I should probably read this because it might have helped me to create a video sooner rather than later, not wait a month and a half to get this video to you. Ha! So I should take my own advice here. And again, folks, you can go back and just preview which one makes sense to you, which one you like to see, which one really has the look and feel that you want. There's all kinds of examples here depending on, again, just what kind of floats your boat, what style you think kind of looks the best. That's kind of a cool one. I mean, can't you see that being used like on a blog post or something? If you have a nice article talking about conquering procrastination, or even an Instagram post. If you're a coach consultant, if you do any kind of counseling, helping people to smash through conquering procrastination, what a great visual summary to use to drop into all your marketing or even a course. I mean, you got to admit, these are gorgeous looking and can be applicable in so many different ways. So I'm going to get off my soapbox now. I hope you're excited about this. These new features are waiting for you inside SketchWow right now. They're added at no cost. I hope you join us and be a part of version 2.3.8, and we've gone beyond 2.3.8. We're now version 2.4, and already the development team has some exciting new things in the work as we continue to add more templates to enhance our AI capabilities and just make this software the best that it can be, because we're all passionate about just really making SketchWow better and adding more things to make you more creative without being a design pro. So I'm going to stop the video now. I hope to see you inside SketchWow, and I can't wait to share with you what we have next with the next version. Take care and have yourself a great day.